Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I don't normally do videos over the weekend, but I received quite a lot of cards in the post around my birthday, and also a few in the run-up and a few afterwards of thank you cards and things I get in the mail. And I tend to share them on my blog, or do a shout out to the person if it's somebody from my team. And there's been quite a collection and I just haven't got round to photographing them all, so I thought I'd bring them to you on YouTube and say hello. So I've got this beautiful one here, absolutely lovely. It's all watercolour pencils as well. It's a lovely lady called Sam Bretherick in my team, just gorgeous. This one came in the post. This was just a lovely thank you card. I miss our little bitty baby butterfly. I don't remember what they were called. I love them, love that paper. This was a rat card. Now in my team we have a random act of kindness group, which means you just pop post cards in the post to people, and you know it's just a lovely thing. And I love this, absolutely love it. I haven't used my bike stamp set. How gorgeous is that? Perennial birthday, another rat card, this one. Love it. I love the perennial birthday stamp set anyway, but look at the patience to colour all of that in. Just gorgeous. This one came from America. And this came actually from my friend Sharon, and she put a rainbow pencil case in it with it for me as well. Just lovely. Oh, here we go. My birthday cards. Look at that. I love the vellum on that. Just lovely. And of course, a rainbow for me. This was from a demo friend of mine, Liz, who knows I love a rainbow. Look at this. How gorgeous. And then inside, she's put the same stamp set that I actually used on my birthday, and she put it in rainbow order. Oh, love you, Liz. Thank you. This was a thank you card, and this is somebody who has got newly into heat embossing, and she said she's heat embossing everything she can lay her hands on, which just tickled me. But it's beautiful. I miss that stamp set. How cute is this? Love it. And I just love the fact that all of these images have been separated, because it's actually one set, and it's just lovely that they're all separated. How darling is that? I love this. Actually, I hadn't noticed that before. It's sort of, I guess it's been through one of those winder thingies. I don't remember what they're called. Crimpers? I don't know what they're called. Look at that. How pretty. And watercolour pencils going on here as well. Just love it. I'm so happy when I get cards in the mail. You know, we never underestimate the power of a handmade card. Love it. More heat embossing and die cut shapes as well. Love this. Now, our happy birthday, actually you do get dimples when it goes through, oh, I don't think you can see them, when it goes through the die, but actually I really like them on the foils. This was a thank you card. How amazing is that? And all of these, well, I believe this bit is stamped. I'm not sure. I don't recognise the brand, but it's just lovely. How gorgeous is that? Oh, so pretty. But all of these have all been added on. This is from one of the girls in my team as well. Just love it. And she's patiently done all of the blends on there. Beautiful. And then this one came all the way from the States from my lovely friend Wendy, who knows I love rainbows, and she's made me a beautiful rainbow card. But just love it. So yeah, I get cards in the mail, and it's lovely. So I thought I'd bring them to you on the weekend. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.